What is stopping you from having a successful boutique? Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm gonna tell you. Stay tuned. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Emily Benson. Welcome back to my channel. I have a beautiful podcast called the Boost Your Boutique Podcast, where I consult and coach boutique owners just like you to have a better life, have a better business. Let's talk about the things that are gonna make you successful, because listen, I've grown multiple businesses. I've been an entrepreneur now for over 10 years. Feels like it's been a million. I have learned, I have made mistakes, and I'm here to tell you some of the most important things you need to be successful in your boutique business. Here we go. Number one is money. Yeah, you need a good money mindset. This is so important because listen, we might have been raised with busted money beliefs where our parents told us money doesn't grow on trees, or we didn't really have a lot growing up. And so now what would make us be in a position where we would make a lot in our business now? Nothing. There is nothing that is going to help you more than working through your money mindset and really understanding what is blocking you from making the money that you want. Boutiques and the retail industry have the absolute highest margin. So let me tell you something. If you're not making money, there's a problem. You're not charging enough, you're not doing your math right. I've got plenty of videos that talk all about the strategy side of this, but if your mindset isn't in it and you don't feel comfortable charging, you don't feel comfortable selling, then I'm gonna tell you, you are gonna have a rough time here in boutique land, because you've got to be a salesperson, you've got to be a numbers girl, you've got to do all the things well, and that's a tough pill to swallow. In a boutique business, you have so much potential to make money. I don't want your money mindset to block you from understanding that and seeing it come to fruition actually in your boutique life. Work on that money mindset. If you need more help, I'm gonna drop some links below. I have some money mindset resources that might be helpful for you. Okay, two of the other things that we're gonna talk about, these are the things I hear about all the time. First of all, people tell me, I am afraid to fail. But isn't failure like not starting? Just do it, okay? It's not gonna kill you. It's not gonna hurt you. It probably won't bankrupt you. I mean, let's hope not. We need to fail at some things in our life. We can't be good at everything. We can't decide we're not gonna do things just because we're scared. We only get this one life. If now is not the time to just go after what you want, I don't know when it's gonna be the time. And I'm gonna be honest with you. If you've had this desire and you want to have a successful boutique, it is within reach for you, but you have to believe it and you have to go after it. You can't sit around and say, well, I'm afraid of failure, I'm afraid of success. I get it, but also you just gotta put yourself out there and do it. There's no reason to overthink. There's no reason to expect yourself to fail. I don't expect you to fail. I don't expect myself to fail, you guys. We are gonna show up and we are gonna do the best we can, and we are gonna have businesses that we have fun in, that we love, and that we feel good about. There is no need and no excuse to worry that you are gonna fail. All right, share with me down below what you feel like you're nervous about, what you feel like is blocking you from success, or maybe you wanna give someone else a tip about how you feel successful and what that looks like for you. Tell me down in the comments, I wanna hear about it. If you're liking this content, you're liking this video, smash that like button. As always, we wanna share it with more people. And don't forget to hit subscribe. I come out with new videos every week, and I'm trying to give you so much content, so much good stuff so you can get psyched for this year. Okay, last but not least is competition. Competition will kill your business. And when I say competition, I mean you being worried about the other people that are doing what you wanna do. They are none of your business, my friend. Competition is not real. I don't honestly believe in community over competition. I like the notion of it, but to be honest with you, I just think that no one is my competition. We're all friends, we're all buddies, we all want the best for each other. And at the end of the day, no one's gonna do things the way I do it. No one's gonna do things the way that you do it. We have had people copying my business for a long time, but I don't care. I don't keep an eye on it. I mean, listen, if you're blatant and you like copy me, I'm gonna come after you. But if you are taking my ideas and using them as your own, good luck to you. That is the way to run a business. That's not the way you wanna run a business. You don't wanna go and look at other people's businesses and think you have to be like them, because you don't. There's no such thing as competition. You are a unique person. You are gonna show up in the world in your own unique way, and to worry about competition coming along and either copying you, I've been there and done that, and it's lame, and your customers see it. Your customers know when the store down the street is copying you, and that makes them look bad and it makes you look good for not saying anything. It's very easy to take competition and let it ruin you. But successful boutique owners, people who have their eye on the prize, don't really care about competition. They just stay in their lane, they do what they're good at, and they make some friends along the way. And that's the mindset of a successful boutique CEO. I hope this has helped you. If you need more help with mindset work, I have this awesome course. It's called Retail Mindset Makeover. It has helped so many people, and we go deep, okay? I am not glossy over here. I go deep. I want to talk about your feelings. I want to talk about your mindset, and I want to talk about it in a deep, everlasting, meaningful way, not some way that's just positive vibes only, not my thing. So stick with me here, take that course if you want, or just keep hanging out with me here. I'll be back here next Tuesday. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you get that notification when we do post a new video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.